Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, today we've got INM, and of course it was winning race after race after race. It's won 4 races already today, okay? Now, I've seen this one trade for the last 4 or 5 days, and it's been awfully difficult to intraday trade it. You can just see even on Friday, look how whippy it was, big topping tails, bottoming tails, etc. This is the first day that it's actually, and this is in the pre-market, it went from 10 all the way up to about 15. It did have a pullback, but then almost straight up from 15 all the way up to 20. So, it did have some news. I guess they closed some kind of a $6 million financing. I think they're going to be presenting at a Wainwright conference, et cetera, et cetera. But this was the first day, and a lot of people in the trading room took advantage of this one, winning races. And we'll have to see what happens later on. If it takes out 20, this could still have a great, great run. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.